Surviving a disaster requires preparation, adaptability, and a focus on essential needs, especially nourishment. Whether it's a natural disaster, power outage, or societal breakdown, securing food is key to survival. To start, assemble a 72-hour emergency kit. Include high-calorie food bars, MREs, and instant foods for quick and easy sustenance. Keep it accessible and check expiration dates regularly. Next, build a long-term food storage plan. Stockpile non-perishables like rice, beans, and canned goods. Use airtight containers and store them in cool, dark places to extend their shelf life. In prolonged emergencies, bartering supplies can be valuable. Items like alcohol, sweets, and tobacco products hold high trade value. But barter carefully, keeping your stockpile hidden for security. Urban foraging may become necessary in extreme situations. Look for edible plants or hidden food in abandoned stores, but always prioritize safety. For long-term sustainability, consider gardening and hunting. Grow fast-yield vegetables and practice fishing or hunting to provide consistent nourishment. Don't forget to utilize every part of hunted game for maximum resourcefulness. Preparation isn't just about surviving, it's about thriving. Build your kit, secure your food supply, and equip yourself with the skills to face any challenge head-on. Stay prepared, stay safe, and take control of your survival journey.